So you're still doing your split screen on DaVinci Resolve using the crop tool. Okay, this is the best way to do it. I went to film school for years, so you don't have to. Here's how you do it. Grab all your clips and put it on your timeline. Just go to effects. You're looking for a video collage. You want to grab that and you want to put that at the very top of your video. Now, what you want to do next is go here and you want to go to the effects tab right here. You also want to create a tile because, of course, tiles just work better for this instance. And I personally think if you have portrait videos and you have landscape videos, you have to design them differently. These are landscape videos. So what I want to do is I want to have 3 rows and I want to have 1 column. This just works better for me. I don't want it rounded. Um, let's see. I want to play around with this. Maybe have this all the way in, kind of get the spacing right so you can fill up the space a little bit. So what you want to do now is copy these and you want to go to the next one and you want to paste the attributes. Go and make sure that all of these are selected. You want to click apply and go to effects tab as well. Go to tiles and that should be labeled tile 2 because obviously that is tile 2. And the last one you want to go to click on it as well, right click, paste attributes, make sure all of these are checked off, and then you want to click apply. Go to the effects tab and make sure it's on tiles and click make it tile 3. It's already arranged for you. You don't even have to do nothing. Now all you got to do is go to this videos and kind of dial it in as you want to. I personally go in here and maybe I kind of want to just see just eyes of this wolf, you know. I want to see just eyes, maybe get a little more intense, you know. Maybe move it a little centered. I like the size of this one. Let's see where we want this one to be. If I place this guy, I like the skyline. Let's keep that in the sky. Right there is perfect. It's kind of like splitting somewhere in the middle right here. I like that. And then for this very last one, let's see what it looks like. Okay, so oh, there's a jump right there. Okay, cool. Let's make a cut, delete all these on the side. Go somewhere here, make sure that that last video is not cut enough. And the last video kind of is still in the show. Do we want to zoom that in a little bit? Okay, yeah, we zoom it in a little bit. Make it centered. Yeah. So let's see what we have here. And there you have it. That's exactly how you do a split screen without using the crop tool. I just saved you $100,000 and 3 years of your life going to film school. Go ahead and Venmo me $10. Till next video. Peace.